Sit. No. About 5:30 a.m. here. I don't want you doing all that barking. It's raining pretty good, and they don't care. You don't care, do you, Apollo? No, go, move, babe. Come on. No, Soma. No. It's because I got them excited. They were chilling until I came over here and got them all worked up. But... Hey, no. Soma. No. This is what happens when you have that much herder in your dog. I know someone looks like he has no herder in him, but he got some herder. He got a lot of herder in him, so it's one of the things you get. Go get it. Go get it. That's what he wanted. Me to tell him to go do that. Great, Apollo. That's all he wanted. Me to tell him to go do that. Good boy. No. No. I ain't going over there with you. No. Hey. Soma, no. No. I gotta not make eye contact with Soma. No. It's raining. Soma, shut up. Sit. It's raining pretty hard out here, but they don't care. They'll play anyway. I'm not playing no game with you, boy. It's too early. See, that's what they want. Throw a stick. Throw a ball. Give me something to bite. Something to chase. You don't want to share with Gray. Gray is just such a, Hey, no, Soma, come. Sit, no. Gray's such a drivey dog. She don't want nobody doing shit. Gray don't want nobody to have nothing. Everything is hers. A little bit of that is false confidence because I don't let Soma check her really, but I like to, I trust that she can walk it like she talking through. Just not with Soma, because he hurt her. That's the other thing about Soma. Soma wants to be right by me all the time. I like it though. These other two are a little more independent. Apollo's a lot more independent, and Gray's kind of like in between them both. What's up, Gray? Like I said, we just out here chilling. It's storming, so I just want to let people see how my dogs respond to stuff like that. They can care less. They don't care that it's raining. It's raining super hard. They don't care about the lightning, the thunder. They don't care about none of that. And they're trying to hide. And they're trying to go in their houses. Again, it's about, let's see what time it is. It's just now 6 a.m. here. The whining and shit you hear from him is just because he wants me to play. He wants to play a game. And the reason I'm not, like I said, at 6 a.m., my neighbors are definitely asleep and they'll definitely be loud as fuck. So. But I ain't going to give him too much verbal commands because any conversation with him is going to just make him more excited. Sometimes as the owner or the trainer, you have to adjust. The dog don't always have to adjust. Sometimes you might have to adjust. No Apollo. Yeah, sometimes you get a better result if you adjust to the dog. See that? Nobody cares. Thunder, lightning, rain, nobody cares. What's up, Apollo? What's up, Greg? They can go in the bushes. I'll tell y'all, these are wild dogs. These are wild dogs. These are really wild dogs. You're a wild thing, Apollo. You're a wild thing. Get off me. No. So someone just wants to be with me. He wants to do something with me. He ain't fucking with the girls right now. What up, Apollo? What's up? What's up, baby? Oh, you're about to make me gross right now. Apollo, no. A lot of the times with my dogs, it ain't necessarily the word I use. I could have said Apollo, hey, or Apollo, stop, or whatever. It's just kind of the tone I use. And that just comes from bonding, good communication with the dogs. No. Gray threw up some of her chicken she ate earlier. No, Summer. And these two want it. Try to see it. Summer, go. Make them leave her alone. Apollo, what'd I say? You see what I mean? It doesn't necessarily matter what I say. Sometimes it's just the tone. She understands that she's doing the wrong thing. You know, you use words as negative markers, but if you got this communication, now you can't do this. Hey, no, you probably couldn't do this with if I had 30 dogs, but when I can be close to them like this, Apollo, then just the tone is the negative marker. And what I mean by negative marker, I mean is the word or the thing you use to tell them they're doing the wrong thing. It could be ah, it could be no, it could be stop, it could be down, it could be off. You know, the word that tells them that's the wrong thing, they're doing the wrong thing. And like I said, for me, sometimes a lot of times it's just be the tone, body language. Those things work just as well when you got a good bond with your dog. And put everybody up. Let me see. Let me let y'all see them up real quick. Come on. No. Apollo. No. No. Let's go. I'm trying to get a picture of them. Let's go. No. Go. I'm gonna come. Come on. Go.